Hello, here's a quick video on how to tighten the belt of a Silhouette Cameo 4. You're going to have to partially disassemble it, and we're going to have to start with the back cover thingamajig. Following that, there are 4 screws that need to be removed. You'll find 2 of them inside the machine. Right here, and in there. If the carriage is in the way, just push it away. The screws have Phillips heads. I removed mine before filming this video, so I will not be showing the removal. The last 2 screws are located on the bottom, here and here. With the screws removed, you can remove the whole left cover. And here are the 2 screw holes I forgot to show you. This bracket is what we use to adjust the belt tension. It is easier accessed from behind, so let's flip the machine over. Let's take a second to look at how this bracket works. For the belt to be tensioned, it also has to pull on the bracket. To counteract this force, there is a spring at the bottom that also pulls on the bracket but from the other side. This is much like a seesaw, with the center of the seesaw being the bottom screw. The top screw serves as a lock for this seesaw mechanism. So in order to make an adjustment, we first have to loosen it, make our adjustment, and then tighten it again. With the screw loose, we can adjust the tension of the belt. Push on the top part to loosen the belt, and pull on it to tighten it again. This angle better demonstrates the seesaw idea. As you can see, the bottom screw is the center of rotation. Hopefully you can see that the belt pulls with quite a bit of force. So when you want to tighten the screw again, you'll probably have to use one hand to pull and the other to actually screw it in. Filming this video wasn't exactly planned, so I did not have a tripod or anything to set up to actually show myself doing that. If I had 3 hands, maybe I would have, but you know how it is. I hope this video was helpful to you. The reason I made it is because my sister was having issues with bad cuts on her machine. She had Googled a lot, and something really sad she told me is that a lot of people just kind of give up on their machines when they start having these kinds of issues. This made me really sad to hear because it just very blatantly is feeding off of women's learned helplessness when it comes to machines and technology. In the 2010s, we had the boys club known as the Makers Revolution. For all its faults, it really did popularize 3D printers, particularly hackable ones you could build yourself and modify and repair and maintain properly. The principles of a 3D printer are exactly the same as the principles of a cutting machine. You have a program on your computer that translates your design into instructions for another computer that controls a few motors. So why was the Makers Revolution a boys' club? Why are 3D printers considered tools of engineering and cutting machines considered arts and crafts for little girls? If you have a machine like this one, you can learn how it functions. You can learn to maintain it. Don't let the fact that this machine is marketed towards women convince you that it is not a serious tool, or that it is some kind of magical tool that cannot be repaired. Don't let the patriarchy make you think that just because you're a woman, you can't learn how to maintain a machine.